Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Chats, where every conversation helps you learn. I am Emma.
Hello, Emma. Hello, everyone listening. I am Alex. It is great to be here with you all today.
How are you today, Alex? You look a little bit sleepy this morning.
I am doing well, thank you. But yes, you are right. I am very tired today. And how are you today, Emma?
I am doing great. Thank you for asking. No, I feel very awake today. I had a very relaxing morning. But why are you so tired, Alex? What were you doing?
I was watching a Spanish TV show with subtitles.
Oh, subtitles. The words at the bottom of the screen.
Yes, the words at the bottom. Reading the Spanish words is very good practice for me.
Ah, yes. That is very good language practice, Alex.
Yes, but now I am very tired. That is the problem with good TV shows. I always say, just one more minute, just one more episode.
Yes, I understand. One more minute turns into one more hour. Well, I am glad you are practicing your Spanish, because today we have a very important topic.
Oh, a big topic? What is it?
Today, we are talking about your brain.
My brain? Is something wrong with my brain, Emma?
No. Your brain is good, Alex.
Oh, good. I was worried.
Today, we are talking about how to train your brain. How to train your brain to think in English.
Ooh, think in English. That sounds very difficult.
It sounds difficult, but it is actually very easy. And today, I have some tips for our listeners. Easy tips.
I like easy tips. But Emma, can I really learn to think in a new language? Is it truly possible?
Yes, it is very possible. Many people do it. It takes time, but it is possible.
Okay, and how long does it take?
It is different for everyone, but if you practice every day, you will feel a change. Maybe in 1 month, maybe in 2.
1 or 2 months. That is not so long.
No, it is not long, and every day it gets a little easier.
Okay, I feel more confident now.
Good. That is the right feeling, confident and ready. But first, before we start our tips, we have a small request.
Yes. If you like our podcast, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel.
And please share this episode with your friends and family who are learning English. Thank you so much. It helps our channel grow.
We really love our listeners. Okay, Emma, let's talk about the brain.
Okay, Alex, let me ask you a question. When you try to speak Spanish, what do you do first in your head?
Well, I think in English first. I make the sentence in English in my mind, and then I try to translate it into Spanish.
Ah, yes. You think first, then translate.
Yes, let me tell you a story. Yesterday, I went to a special Mexican cafe here in my city. The people who work there speak Spanish. I wanted to practice, so I tried to order my coffee in Spanish.
That is a great idea. Getting real-life practice is important.
It was a good idea, but here is what happened. The worker asked me a question in Spanish. First I listened, then I translated his words into English in my head. Then I made my answer in English. I would like a large coffee. Then I tried to translate that answer back into Spanish.
That is a very long process.
It is, and because I translate everything, I am very slow. I stood there in silence for 10 seconds. It was a very awkward silence. Finally, the worker smiled and just spoke to me in English. He said, "Do you want a large coffee, sir?"
Oh no, he switched to English because you were too slow.
Yeah.
This is a very common problem. Almost all English learners do this. They think in their native language and then they translate.
Is that bad?
It's not bad, but it's very slow and it is very hard. Your brain is working 2 times.
2 times? Oh, that is a lot of work. No wonder I am so tired.
Yes, and when your brain works 2 times, it is slow, and sometimes the translation sounds strange.
Yes. I translate a sentence in my head and I sound like a robot. It does not sound natural.
Exactly. So our big goal today is simple. Stop translating. Think directly in English.
That is the dream.
Yes. So today we want to help your brain work only one time. Think in English, speak in English.
That sounds much better. But how do we do it?
I have 3 easy tips for you today, Alex.
3 tips. Okay, I am ready. I have my notebook.
Tip number 1, think in small sentences.
Small sentences?
Yes, small, very small. Many beginners try to think in big, long, complicated sentences. Do not do that. Keep it small. For example, Alex, right now, what are you doing?
I am sitting. I am sitting on my chair.
Perfect. That is a small English sentence. I am sitting on a chair. Simple. Easy.
Oh, yes, that is very simple.
You do not need a big, long paragraph. You just need a small sentence in English.
So I just say what I see and what I do?
Exactly. For example, you wake up in the morning. Your alarm rings. What do you think?
I am tired? Or maybe I want more sleep?
Yes, perfect. I am tired. That is English. That is thinking in English.
Okay, so I just use simple sentences, short ones.
Yes, short sentences, easy words. I like to call them word photos.
A word photo? Like a picture on a camera, but with words?
Yes, you look at something and you take a word photo in your brain. Let me try. The sun is bright. I feel warm.
2 small sentences. 2 English thoughts. That is easy.
You can do this anywhere. On the bus, in the park, at home, at the supermarket.
Oh, at the supermarket. Let me try taking a word photo. The apples are red. I need milk. The store is busy.
Yes, perfect. That is wonderful, Alex.
Thank you. I am a poet. An English poet in the supermarket.
Yes, an English poet. The more you practice these word photos, the more natural it feels. One small sentence at a time.
1 small sentence. I can do that. What is tip number 2?
Tip number 2 is input.
Input. What does input mean?
Input is English in. You listen to English, you read English, the language goes into your brain. That is input.
Oh, like listening to this podcast.
Yes, exactly like this podcast. You listen to us, and the English goes into your brain.
So our listeners are doing input right now. Good job, listeners.
Yes, they are doing a great job. And input can be many things. You can listen to English songs. You can watch movies with English subtitles, like you did last night. You can read simple books.
Like children's books?
Yes, children's books are perfect for beginners.
I like children's books. The pictures are very nice.
Yes, the pictures help a lot, but the language is also perfect. It is simple, clear, and easy to understand.
Emma, can I watch YouTube videos for input? I like watching comedy videos.
Of course, absolutely. Or if you like cooking, watch cooking videos in English. If you like sports, watch sports videos in English. When you enjoy the topic, your brain learns faster.
So the more I listen and read, the more my brain learns English naturally?
Absolutely. Your brain hears English again and again, and slowly it starts to feel normal, like music. When you hear a song many times, you know all the words. You don't try to memorize them, you just know them.
That is a perfect example, Emma. Input is music for your brain.
I love that. Music for my brain. And there is one more thing about input, something very useful.
What is it?
Shadowing.
Shadowing. Like a dark shadow on the ground on a sunny day?
Not exactly. Shadowing means you listen to an English speaker and then you repeat the words right after them. You copy their words, their sounds, and their rhythm.
Ah, so I listen to someone speak and then I say the exact same words out loud.
Yes, like an echo.
Like an echo. I like that.
So our listeners can listen to this podcast, pause the video, and repeat what we say.
Yes, exactly. Listen, pause, repeat. Shadowing is very good for your mouth muscles. Your mouth learns how to make the English sounds.
Okay, I will try shadowing in Spanish later today.
Perfect. Okay, now for the final tip. Tip number 3.
I am ready. My notebook is open.
Tip number 3 is output.
Output. What is output?
Output is English out. You speak English. You write English. The language comes out of your brain.
Okay, input is in and output is out.
Yes, very good, Alex.
That is easy to remember. In and out.
Exactly. And output is very, very important. Input alone is not enough.
Not enough? Why not?
Because you can listen to English for many years, but if you never open your mouth, you cannot speak.
Oh, that is sad. But it is true. Listening is passive. Speaking is active.
Yes, you need to use the English you learn. You need to speak it.
But Emma, how do I speak English if I have nobody to talk to? I live alone in my apartment. I don't have an English partner.
Ah, good question. And I have the perfect answer. Talk to yourself.
Talk to myself?
Yes, talk to yourself in English.
But Emma, people will think I am crazy. If I talk to myself in the supermarket, people will look at me.
Maybe, so you can talk to yourself at home. Talk to yourself in your kitchen or in your living room. It is very good practice. You have no pressure. No one is watching. No one is judging.
So I can make mistakes and nobody cares.
So I can make mistakes and nobody cares.
Exactly. Make mistakes, try again. Make more mistakes. Your brain is practicing.
Okay, I will try. I will talk to myself at home in English.
Perfect. For example, you are in the kitchen. You are making your morning coffee.
I love coffee. Coffee is my best friend in the morning.
I know. So you talk out loud to your coffee. You say in English, I am making coffee. The coffee smells very good. I am a little hungry. Maybe I will make toast.
That sounds like a morning radio show, but only for me.
Yes, your own English radio show in your kitchen.
Welcome to Alex's Kitchen. Today we are making coffee. It is a beautiful morning. My dog Max is sleeping on the floor.
Perfect. That is output. Simple, natural English coming out of you. You do not need perfect grammar. You just need to try.
And my brain learns from trying?
Exactly. Every time you try, your brain gets stronger. Your brain gets comfortable.
Getting comfortable. That is the goal.
Yes, comfortable, not perfect.
I like that rule. Comfortable, not perfect. I will say it to myself every day.
Good, because comfortable is the goal. And there is one more way to do output. Writing.
Writing? Like writing a book?
No, just a small diary, a short note, just a few sentences every day.
What should I write about?
Write about your day. For example, today is Tuesday. The weather is raining. I ate an apple for lunch. I feel happy.
Oh, that is very simple. Today is Tuesday. It is raining. I ate an apple. I can do that.
Yes, simple, short English. Writing is output too. It helps your brain think in English.
So speaking and writing both are output. I will speak to my coffee in the morning, and I will write in my notebook at night.
You are the perfect student, Alex.
Thank you, Emma. I try my best. Okay, I have one more question before we finish our lesson today.
What is that?
How much time do I need to practice? Do I need 2 hours, 3 hours every day?
No. A little bit every day is enough.
How little?
10 minutes. 10 minutes every day is very good.
Only 10 minutes? Are you sure?
Yes. 10 minutes every day is much better than 3 hours on a Saturday.
Really? Why is that?
Because your brain learns with repetition. Repetition means doing something again and again, every day. That is how habits form. That is how language grows.
So 10 minutes today, 10 minutes tomorrow, 10 minutes every day.
Yes, you make it a daily habit. Maybe you practice your 10 minutes while you drink your morning coffee. And after 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, you will feel a big difference.
Wow. Small steps every day.
Exactly. Small steps every single day. It is like building a house. You put 1 brick down every day.
Just 1 brick.
Yes, 1 brick is small. But slowly, day by day, you have a beautiful house.
A beautiful English house. I love that.
Okay, let's do a quick review time so our listeners can remember the tips.
Yes, review time. I am ready.
Tip 1. Think in small sentences.
Short sentences. Word photos. I am sitting. I am tired. I am happy.
Tip 2. Input.
English in. Listen to podcasts. Read simple books. Watch YouTube videos about cooking or sports.
And tip 3. Output.
English out. Speak English out loud. Write a simple diary. Talk to yourself in the kitchen.
Specifically, talk to your coffee.
Hello, coffee. How are you today? My coffee is very kind. It does not judge my grammar.
Perfect. Okay, listeners, it is time to practice your output. It is time for our shadowing practice.
Yes, shadowing is like an echo. Emma will say an English sentence. There will be a few seconds of silence. In the silence, you must repeat the words out loud.
Copy my voice, copy my speed. Ready? Let's go.
I want to think directly in English. I am sitting in my room right now. The apples are red. Input means listening and reading. Output means speaking and writing. I am talking to my coffee today. Today is Tuesday and it is raining. My goal is comfortable, not perfect.
Great job, everyone. Your mouth is learning the sounds. Your brain is learning English.
Yes, 10 minutes a day is all you need. Well, that is all the time we have for today.
Thank you so much for listening. Please subscribe to Daily English Chats and give this video a like. It helps us a lot.
And we have a question of the day for you.
Yes, a question for our wonderful listeners. Do you talk to yourself in English or in your native language?
Tell us in the comments below. We love reading your answers.
Remember, small sentences every day. Comfortable, not perfect. See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing.